Keep going. There's crocodiles in the water. You better go.
Go up! Go
No.
up!
Okay.
Except until the crocodiles can't get out. And we don't want our sea. Phew.
Run, run, swim, swim. Go, Stella, go.
Make room. Stella. Make room.
Hurry up, Stella. Go, go.
It's a crocodile.
I know you better go.
It's a crocodile. And it's right. Make us swimming. Get my slippers. It's for you. Don't worry, quick. I'll put on my water shoes. Come on. I'm here, Stella. I need to put on my water slippers. They're coming. Son, come on. I'll put it right here. Look! It's right here. It's right here. How about outside to the outside? It's a teacher.
Who is that?
It's a giraffe.
It's a giraffe.
We go with giraffe at the zoo.
We did see a giraffe at the zoo.
Kitty! Get out of the way. Get out of the way, Kitty. It's a car.
Oh.
I got my giraffe. And I got my monkey and my that pooping in
What's
pants.
John's got poo in his pants.
No, it's not pooping in my pants. That's not pooping in my pants. Get away! You get not. Say cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
It's a video. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.